Hello everyone. In the last lesson, we learned about the collection terminals installation and the meter reading debugging. We understood the collection terminals basic principles. In this lesson, we will learn together about the communication collection parameter settings and remote meter reading. Before starting work, first, inspect the collection terminal and the electricity meter for appearance inspection. The main inspection content includes the concentrator, the electricity meter, and the appearance of junction box. To see if they are intact, the parameters, whether they are correct, and if the seals of each part are complete. On-site verification mainly includes clock verification, 4, 8, 5 port wiring and voltage inspection, and power line carrier modular inspection. Open the concentrator and the electricity meter's function menu. Select the clock option to verify the concentrators and the electricity meters. Clocks are consistent. If the clock deviation is more than 5 minutes, adjust the time promptly to ensure the clocks are consistent. 485 port wiring and voltage inspection. Main steps are: first, check the 485 ports wiring to see if it is firm and if there are any reverse connections. For further verification, you can use a multimeter to measure the DC voltage of the 485 wire. Is generally greater than 0 voltage and less than about 10 voltage. A represents the positive pole. B represents a negative pole. While measuring, connect the red test lead to the A terminal and the black test lead to the B terminal. If the measure result 10 voltage is greater than 0 voltage but less than 10 voltage, it indicates the 485 wiring is correct. If the measurement result is between less than 0 voltage and 10 voltage, it indicates that the 485 wire is reversed. If there is no voltage, the 485 wire may be broken. Verify the concentrators and the electricity meters power line carrier modular frequency to see if they match. For example, if you're using a narrowband concentrator, the frequency is 270 kHz. The electricity meters carrier modulus frequency should also be 270 kHz. Conversely, if the concentrator's power line carrier modular is broadband, the electricity meter should also match the carrier modular to maintain the same frequency. Communication parameter settings. Local communication parameter settings of the collection terminal mainly include the measurement point number, communication rate, power digits, meter address, and port communication protocol. To set the concentrator's parameters, first, enter the concentrator's main function menu. Click on Parameter Settings and view to enter the next menu. Find the measurement point parameters to select the corresponding measurement point and enter the relevant function parameters for setting. Proceed with the settings. Specifically, how to set it. First, set the corresponding measurement point. The concentrator is set to measurement point 01. The assessment meter is set to measurement point 02. The simulation station is set to measurement point 03, and the household meter is set to measurement point 17 or above. The communication rate settings mainly include 1. 600 bits per second. 2. 1200 bits per second. Third, 2400 bits per second. 4. 4800 bits per second. The default value is 2400. The port number settings are as follows. 02 indicates collection through the 485 line, and the general station meter uses port number 02. 31 indicates collection through carrier wave, and the general station meter's household meter uses port number 31. The setting of the communication protocol depends on the electricity meter's protocol selection. 0 indicates no meter reading. 1 indicates DL645-1997 protocol. 2 indicates cross-collection data. 30 indicates DL645-2007 protocol. The power digits are generally set to 6 plus 2, 6 integer digits, and 2 decimal digits. The meter address is set to match the logical address of the electricity meter. After completing the parameter settings, exit the editing interface. Remote meter reading debugging. Enter the concentrator's main function menu. Click on Concentrator Management and Maintenance to enter the next step of the local meter reading menu. Then click on the on-site debugging meter reading. After engineer the measurement point number, wait for 1 to 2 minutes to check whether relevant data of the electricity meter has been successfully read. Compare the data results with the data to electricity meter. If they match, it indicates successful remote meter reading. Alright students, let's review the steps of debugging meter reading. The main steps are: first, concentrator management and maintenance; second, local meter reading settings; third, on-site debugging meter reading; fourth, enter the measurement point number; and fifth, successful measurement point reading. Please remember these steps and apply them flexibly in practical work. Next, students, according to the methods and steps mentioned earlier, conduct practical training operations.